papunta tayo ng Quezon City Memorial Circle for tonight videos. Okay. So nandito ako ngayon sa may Batasan ata to, Batasan Road. Tagos natin ay Commonwealth. Pero mo 8:30 na, sobrang traffic pa din. Hirap pag night ride dito sa amin, guys. Pinili mo nga mag night ride kasi ang init sa umaga. Pag sa umaga naman traffic na, mainit pa. Pero okay lang, i-enjoy na lang natin ang bawat moment. Kasi try yung ano eh, yung action cam natin na setting sa gabi, kung maganda ba. Okay, let's go Quezon City Memorial. Tayo sa motorcycle lane kasi may mga namimitik din dito minsan, guys. Sino nga yung visor natin? Wow! Wala akong makikita sa visor, kaya pasensya na kung sabog yung boses ko. Oh, yellow lane na pala to. Holy mother. Dito lang yan sa Commonwealth, nag-iiba-iba yung mga lane. Ang speed limit dito is 60. So bahala ka na kung gusto mo mga mote. Magugulat ka na lang, may nagpadala na sa'yo ng ano, ng ticket para sa concert sa LTO. Kaya kahit highway to, guys, drive your own risk. Dalawa lang yan eh, mahuli ka or madisgrasya ka. Sheesh! Tulad nito. Kita niyo yun? Tanggal yung kaluluwa ko dun. Walang joke. Kita nyo na. malaking tower na yun, ayun. May kulay. Ayan yung Quezon City Memorial Park. So dito na tayo. Hanap lang tayo ng entrance. Okay, let's slow down kasi hanapin pa natin yung entrance. Minsan kasi ang daming entrance pero sinasara nila. Oh, R15, R3. R3. Huling punta natin dito, pandemic pa. Makita yung entrance. Parang naiikot ko na. Hindi ko pa rin makita yung entrance. Ito. Lumagpas ako. Hello? What the fuck? Hindi nga yun. Sana mayroon pa. Hey. Ito. Kala ko lumagpas ako eh. Sa exit na lang po. Oh, yeah. Wait lang. Uy, hirap. So may card pass na tayo para sa exit daw. Ito na lang siguro. Tabihan na lang natin to. Ang laki naman nito. Okay, ayun yung tower. Let's go.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crowd
It's on the bus.
Ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night, and there ain't no point in resisting.
Hi guys. So dito na tayo sa Circle. Tayo maggagala-gala muna. Okay.
Best of me, they want the best of me now. Best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. There's something to notice, that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. never stop, never stop. There ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it on. You got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small. Cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me.
Hanggang sa muli guys. Paalam.